Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Top 10 most famous ghost pictures ever take. These are scary images of real ghosts caught on camera. Without further, here are our top 10 most famous ghost pictures ever taken. 10. The Brown Lady. This photo was taken in 1936 at Rainham Hall in Norfolk, England. This portrait of the Brown Lady is arguably the most famous and well-regarded ghost photograph ever taken. The ghost is thought to be that of Lady Dorothy Townsend, wife of Charles Townsend, 2nd Viscount of Rainham, residents of Rainham Hall in Norfolk, England in the early 1700s. It was rumored that Dorothy, before her marriage to Charles, had been the mistress of Lord Wharton. Charles suspected Dorothy of infidelity. Although according to legal records she was buried in 1726. It was suspected that the funeral was a sham and that Charles had locked his wife away in a remote corner of the house until her death many years later. 9. Lord Combermere Ghost. This photograph of the library in Combermere Abbey was taken by Cybele Corbett in 1891. The figure of a man can faintly be seen sitting in the chair on the left. His head collar and right arm on the armrest can be clearly made out. This is reputed to be the ghost of Lord Combermere. The 2nd Viscount Lord Combermere died in 1891 after being struck by one of London's first motor cabs, which was electrically powered. While Cybele Corbett was taking the above photograph, Lord Combermere's funeral was taking place over 4 miles away. 8. Freddie Jackson. Freddie Jackson was a mechanic in the Royal Air Force in First World War. Freddie Jackson's squadron served on board the HMS Daedalus. Freddie Jackson was killed in 1919 when an airplane propeller hit him. 2 days later, when the squadron assembled for a group photo, Freddie Jackson faithfully showed up, grinning behind the ear of a fellow comrade. Guess nobody bothered to tell Freddie Jackson that he was dead. His face was widely recognized in this photo by members of the squadron. 7. The Ghost at the Waverly Hills Sanitarium, Kentucky. The most famous being of a nurse named Mary Lee who happened to contract the disease. A horrific twist when she was found hanging from a light apparatus in room 502. Some believe she took her life after she found out that she was pregnant with a child from one of the doctors and unmarried. Tragically, her body lay undiscovered for a long time. The picture above is of the ghostly figure captured on camera, who is believed to be of Mary Lee, forever roaming the corridors of the hospital groaning in pain. 6. Young Girl at the Window. In 1677, a young girl named Janie Churn accidentally set fire to a thatched roof with a candle, setting off a blaze that burned down many of the town's old timber houses. Several people believe that her ghost has haunted the area ever since, and witnesses claim to have seen her on a few occasions over the years. It is generally believed that this ghost is her. 5. Tulip Staircase Ghost. Taken in 1966 by Rev. Ralph Hardy in the Queen's House section of the National Maritime Museum in Greenwich, England. Hardy, a retired clergyman, intended only to take a picture of the impressive tulip staircase, but also captured this apparition of a robed figure ascending the stairs. 4. Darn Backseat Drivers. In 1959, Mabel Chinnery went to the cemetery to visit the grave of her mother, as any devoted daughter is apt to do. She took some photos of the gravesite and then turned and took this picture of her husband sitting alone in the car's passenger seat. The film was developed and this came out, somebody sitting in the backseat wearing glasses, clear as day. Chinnery saw that the backseat driver was none other than her own mother. 3. Ghost Child at Cemetery. A woman named Mrs. Andrews was visiting the grave of her daughter Joyce, who died at 17. Andrews saw nothing unusual when she took this photo of Joyce's grave marker. When the film was developed, Mrs. Andrews was astonished to see the image of a small child sitting happily at her daughter's grave. The ghost child seemed to be aware of Mrs. Andrews, since he or she is looking directly into the camera. 2. The Amityville Ghost. One of the investigators happened to click a photo of the boy ghost peeking out of a room. Whether or not facts of this case were stretched or a complete hoax altogether, it still remains one of the most frightening and sensationalized ghost stories of our time. 1. The Cooper Family Hanging Ghost. As scary as it looks, this picture has been shrouded in mystery for years now, and it is probably the most peculiar ghost caught on camera. There are perhaps other stories that state that an actual body did fall off from the ceiling exactly at the time the photograph was being taken. Why the face of the body remains darkened is another mystery, a faceless body or a paranormal activity. Who knows which part is true? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for watch more videos.